Welcome to Marriott Marquis. Our registration desk is
About an hour before I could ever been on.
Okay, Mom, just letting you know we got to the hotel safely.
Welcome back. We have you confirmed in a Times Square.
York Marriott Marquis.
Thanks. Yeah, this is.
Sweetie, what is it?
If you're hungry, we have a great restaurant on the 8th floor called Rebel and Rye.
I think that's our food coming.
Everybody involved found out.
Are you excited for the show tonight?
Grab your drinks, ladies. Here's to a girls' night out.
Well, I get why they call it the View.
Non, non, laisse-moi payer l'addition.
Can I have one?
So next we're going to dive into our market insights with data-driven perspectives and our current market trends for the year.
Tim's running late. Let's get a quick coffee at M Club and keep prepping.
Sounds great.
Hi, Mr. Lee. Welcome to the M Club.
Thanks, Lauren.
We'll need to circle back with Donna.
That comedy show last night was one of the best I've seen.
Hotel concierge was able to make us a reservation tonight.